Gitanjali, what about the UN Sustainable Development Goals? How would those inform design practice today?
Well, we all know that some of the key global issues today are poverty, climate change, and the loss of natural habitats, as well as armed conflicts all over. At the national level, we have to deal with issues such as hunger, lack of education and health facilities, and growing violence in the name of religion.
So what happened at the United Nations?
Well, in September 2015, almost 200 countries met at the United Nations and adopted a set of goals to end poverty, to protect the planet and to ensure prosperity at a global scale. Around the world, there was a demand for leadership on poverty, inequality and on climate change. So in order to turn these demands into actions, world leaders adopted an agenda for sustainable development. Their objective was to produce a set of universally applicable goals that balances the three dimensions of sustainable development: the environmental, social and economic. These sustainable development goals, also known as SDGs, unite us together to make a positive change for both people and the planet.
For example?
One of the goals involves taking urgent action to combat climate change and its impacts. Another goal is to build resilient infrastructure, promote inclusive and sustainable industrialization, and foster innovation. There are 17 such important goals,
which you can find on our course platform in the reference tab.
Well, these goals for sustainable development offer us powerful directives for doing design. Design for sustainability enables us to make the quality of our lives and that of future generations so much better.
That gives us a lot of hope. Thank you, Gitanjali. Some of you may be feeling overwhelmed by the problems of the world, but don't be discouraged. We are now more than halfway through this course and hope you've all been learning more and more about design and seeing the world around you with new eyes. Next time, our topic will be design for industry, and we will continue to explore sustainability practices there. And don't forget, a little design goes a long way. See you next time.